How to use Apple Pay in London Underground. Apple Pay works across all TfL services like the Underground, buses, and trams. Just like a contactless card, you tap in at the start and tap out at the end using the yellow card readers. For buses and trams, only tap in. Using Apple Pay for payments is straightforward and quick. No longer do you need Face ID or Touch ID on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Simply tap your device on the card reader and you're good to go. Setting a default card for TfL journeys. On iPhone, first open Settings, go to Wallet and Apple Pay, then tap Express Travel Card, select your card, and confirm it with Touch ID or Face ID. On Apple Watch, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, go to Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap Express Travel Card, choose your card, and confirm it on your Apple Watch with your passcode. Once your card is set up as your Express Travel Card, simply hold your iPhone or Apple Watch over the yellow card readers on TfL services. No need to open Apple Wallet, wake your device, or use Touch ID or Face ID. You can find more details on the Transport for London website for additional assistance. Using Apple Pay on TfL services streamlines your journeys. Quick, easy, and no more fumbling for cards or authentication methods. Just tap and travel hassle-free. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.